Hi, it's Scientific Sue here, just doing a little messing about, getting ready for tomorrow's live feed, introducing my creative circuits kit for homeschooling. So we're going to be looking at circuits. So here we've built a parallel circuit using the green conducting material as my wire. When I switch on the batteries, we're going to get two nice bulbs nice and bright, switch them off again. Whenever we look at these bulbs, they're called diodes, and one leg is longer than the other. That long leg is the one that goes into the positive side. And then we can do lots of creations. So that the lighter green is a non-conductive material, so it's making sure that these two surfaces don't touch. And then that allows us then to create a 3D image. And then if I kind of switch the lights on, yoo-hoo, I've got one scary looking frog. So want to find out how I did it? Want to find out how you can get these kits? Tune in 12 o'clock tomorrow on my Facebook page. Bye!